Ciao, I'm Luca.
And I'm Grace.
Let's learn Italian. So Grace, last weekend I went to a sagra, a food festival, and I saw two nonnas almost fighting over porchetta. Can you believe it?
Wait, what? Fighting over food?
Benvenuta. Today we're learning Italian for attending a local sagra. Sì. At a sagra, food is serious business. Una sagra, a food festival, is not like your American county fair. No. Every town has its own sagra, celebrating one special food.
Oh, wow. So ogni città has a different food.
Esattamente. Ogni città, every town, has its specialty. Last weekend I was at la Sagra della Porchetta. Porchetta, roasted pork, è tipica del Lazio. The smell, Madonna, incredible.
La Sagra della Porchetta, so the festival of the roasted pork.
Bravissima. And people arrive early because, ascolta, listen to this. Il banco, the food stand, runs out fast. Il banco, the stand or booth where they sell the food.
Il banco, the stand. So you have to arrive presto. Early?
Exactly. Presto. Because when the food finishes, è finita. It's over. No more. And this is where it gets interesting. Italians don't just order, no. They assaggiano first.
Assaggiano, what is that?
Assaggiar, to taste. At the banco, you can ask, posso assaggiare? Can I taste? And they give you un pezzetto, a little piece. This is normal, expected.
Wait, really? In America, if you ask to taste at a food truck, they look at you weird.
But here, if you don't assaggiare, they think you're strange. The vendor wants you to taste. È un complimento. A compliment. It shows you care about quality.
That's so different. So I can just say, posso assaggiare?
Perfetto. Now, after you taste, if you like it, you say, ne prendo un etto. I'll take 100 grams. Un etto, 100 grams, is the basic unit for buying food at a sagra or market.
Un etto. Okay, so that's like, quanto? How much?
Un etto is about this much. He gestures, enough for one panino. If you want more, you say due etti, 200 grams, or mezzo chilo, half a kilo.
Mezzo chilo, half a kilo. Got it.
Bene. Now here's the thing. At a sagra, there's also la fila, the line. And Italians, Madonna. We have strong opinions about la fila.
La fila, the line. Like people wait in line, right?
Sì, but here's the cultural part. If someone saltare la fila, cuts the line, people will say something. Immediately. Ai, c'è la fila. Hey, there's a line. Loud, direct, no smiling.
Oh, wow. So people actually confront you.
Assolutamente. And this is normal, not rude. It's about rispetto, respect. Everyone waits, so you wait too.
That makes sense. Rispetto. Okay, so if I'm at un banco, I wait in la fila, then I can ask posso assaggiare, and then I order un etto.
Perfetto. Now let's practice. Imagine you're at la Sagra della Porchetta. I'm the vendor. Tu sei la cliente. You're the customer. Try to order. Ready?
Okay, buongiorno.
Buongiorno signorina. Vuole assaggiare? You want to taste?
Sì, per favore, posso assaggiare?
Certo. Ecco. He hands over a piece. Questa è porchetta con le erbe with herbs. Buonissima.
Wow, this is delizioso. Ne prendo un etto.
Un etto solo. Signorina, uno etto è pochissimo. Very little. Maybe due etti, 200 grams. Così fai un bel panino. A nice sandwich.
Oh, ok. Sì, 2 etti, per favore.
Benissimo. Con la crosta? With the crispy skin.
Wait, con la what?
La crosta. The crispy outside part. Very important question. Some people want only the meat, some want la crosta. It's crunchy, salty, perfetto.
Oh, sì, con la crosta, please.
Bravissima. Ecco qua. Here you go. 2 etti con la crosta. Are you going to eat it here or portare via take away?
Mangio qui. I eat here?
Perfetto. Then you need to find un tavolo, a table. But careful. At a sagra, if you see un tavolo with tovaglia, a tablecloth, that's for people who ordered full meals. You're looking for the simple tables, capito?
Oh, no. I would have just sat anywhere. So un tavolo without, senza, tovaglia.
Esatto. The casual tables are for people with panini and snacks. Now, here's another surprise. At La Sagra, you'll see people bringing their own vino, their own wine, in a bottle, in a bag. Normal.
Wait, that's allowed? You can bring your own vino?
Certo, a Sagra is not a restaurant. È una festa, a party, for the town. People bring wine, they share with friends at the table, they stay for hours. This is how we do it.
That's amazing. So it's like more relaxed than I thought. Everyone just shares and celebrates together.
Esattamente. And now you know the secret. If you go to una sagra, don't be shy. Assaggiare first, order 2 etti. Find un tavolo senza tovaglia, and if someone offers you wine, say sì.
Okay, let me try to remember. Una sagra is the festival. Il banco is the stand. Posso assaggiare means can I taste. Un etto is 100 grams.
Bene. E la fila?
La fila, the line. And if someone cuts, I say, Ehi, c'è la fila.
Perfetta. Now imagine this. You're at la sagra. You order 2 etti di porchetta con la crosta, you sit at un tavolo, and someone at the next table says, Vuoi un bicchiere di vino? Want a glass of wine? What do you say?
Sì, grazie. That would be so nice.
Ecco, you're learning the real Italian way. La sagra is not just about food, è about comunità, community, sharing, talking, laughing. You go for the porchetta, but you stay for the people.
I love that. La comunità. So the food brings everyone insieme, together.
Esattamente insieme. Now, one last thing. When you finish eating at una sagra, you don't ask for il conto, the bill, like at a restaurant. No, no. You already paid at il banco when you ordered. Capito?
Oh, so I pay when I order, not after.
Precisely. You order, you pay, you take your food, you sit. Finito. Simple. And if you want more, you go back to il banco and order again.
This makes so much sense now. I feel like I could actually go to una sagra and not embarrass myself.
You're ready, just remember. Arrive presto, wait in la fila, assaggiare first, order 2 etti con la crosta, find un tavolo senza tovaglia, and enjoy. Next time, we're going to learn how to talk about la tua infanzia, your childhood, in Italy. Because when you're sitting at una sagra with new friends, they always ask, Com'era la tua infanzia? How was your childhood? And you need to know how to answer.
Oh no, I definitely need that lesson.
Don't worry, we'll practice together. For now, go find una sagra near you, or just imagine you're there, and practice saying, Posso assaggiare? 3 times. Dai, ripeti con me.
Posso assaggiare, posso assaggiare, posso assaggiare. I did it.
Perfetto, Grace. Ci vediamo la prossima volta. Ciao ciao.
Ciao Luca.
Ottimo lavoro oggi. You did a great job today.
That was so fun. I can already feel it clicking.
If you want to keep building on what we learned, make sure to subscribe so you never miss a lesson.
And hit that like button if you learned something new today. It really helps us out.
We'd also love to hear from you. Leave a comment with your favorite Italian word from this episode.
Or a word you want us to teach next time.
Grazie mille for listening.
See you in the next episode.
Ci vediamo. Ciao.